Hi, I'm Sarah, a registered dietitian nutritionist with the Kroger family of companies. Today we're going to talk about ways to reduce stress this holiday season. The first thing to remember is that eating well leads to feeling well. So we want to make sure we fuel our bodies with the right foods. Calories are actually a unit of energy, so they'll provide the right amount of energy in order to get us through this busy season. Another thing to remember is that we want to get a variety of nutrients throughout the day in order to utilize that energy. So we need lots of vitamins and minerals. It can sound like a daunting task, but just remember these two things. First, you want to make sure that you eat 5 to 9 servings of fruits and vegetables a day. And next, you want to make sure you get a variety of colors. So you can think of the different colors as different nutrient combinations to fuel your body. Another way to relieve stress during the holiday season is to plan your meals in advance. Meal planning can help relieve day-to-day stressors as well as help you plan for those big holiday gatherings. Plan your meals and go grocery shopping on one day of the week and make sure that you bring a shopping list to keep you on track in the store. Now, sometimes we just don't have enough time to prepare our meals, so we want to make sure we have some go-to options on hand. Our salad kits are a really great option, as well as easy for use seafood, our meal kits, and our fresh roasted chicken and turkey options. Be sure to have healthy snacks on hand to avoid overeating and grazing. One holiday tradition to avoid is grazing on food. The best plan of action is to have healthy foods available and make those your go-to at any holiday gathering. Some of my favorite choices are hummus and veggies, fresh fruit dipped in Greek yogurt, or low-sodium trail mixes. It's important to take time to relax during this busy time of year. One of my favorite ways to de-stress is to take a break with a warm and healthy beverage. Some great options are to have hot water with lemon, or you can utilize hot teas. These are guilt-free options that can keep you warm on a cool day. If you're looking for something a little bit sweeter, try hot apple cider. You want to make sure though you get the ones with low sugar. Be sure to check back for more videos from our experts featuring tips and affordable ways to live a healthier life. Brought to you by Wellness Your Way.